Hey guys, welcome back to Real Green Lawn. So today I've got a little upgrade you can do to your mower's engine if the exhaust shoots out the back. Now, as you know, that can be kind of annoying because as you're mowing, the exhaust is coming up underneath your chest, up into your face, and you're just essentially breathing exhaust while you're trying to enjoy your mow. So what I've done is I've ordered this part. This is from Briggs and Stratton, and I'm sure other companies make it too, but what it is an exhaust deflector. And as you can see around the exhaust, shield here, there's actually mounting holes for this bracket. So it's supposed to actually go on here and work properly. But what it's gonna do is instead of the exhaust coming out this way, I'm gonna have it shoot out towards the side. Therefore, it's not going up into my face. So let me show you how I'm gonna install this, and then I'll start it up. Whenever I got the full choke, it'll shoot out a little bit of white smoke to kind of show you the deflection of the exhaust. So let's get started. All right, so for this bracket, you're gonna need either a socket wrench or regular wrench, and this one takes a 1/4 inch socket for the screw. Now, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm only gonna be mounting it to this one hole right here because that's all this will really line up to. So place it on there like so, put the screw in, okay, so now that I've got that screwed on, I'm only going to do the one screw. You can't really move it, I've got it tightened down so well. You could drill a couple more holes if you just want to put some more screws into it, but all it's doing is just deflecting exhaust. It's not mounted for support or anything like that. So anyway, let's start it up and let me show you what this thing will do. All right, so hopefully in that video you could see how the exhaust was routed out through the deflector there and shot out through the side. And I've actually done a couple of mows with this on. Actually, it was with this one. This one's a little bit larger. I just ordered the wrong one, but this one's the correct one for this one. Anyway, it's been really nice because there's no exhaust up in your face. Everything's just kind of shot out to the side, and you just get a lot more fresh air while you're mowing. This thing's about 10 to 12 bucks. I've seen some various prices on it, but if you do have a Briggs and Stratton engine, then I'll put the link for this deflector down below. If you don't, if you have some other model that actually has the exhaust routed out, I'm sure you can Google search exhaust deflector for that engine and find something very similar. So hopefully this is something that you're looking for. I definitely highly recommend it if you have a setup like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.